All right, if you guys are looking for a thermal printer, a Bluetooth, little tiny guy right here, it means that you're probably doing what I do, and that's doing inventory, shipping out products, anything like that. This is gonna be perfect for that. So if you're looking to grab one, right here, it's a Bluetooth thermal printer, and it is super small, but yet mighty in how it works. Right now, I have this little 1x1 sticker because we do a lot of QR coding for our inventory. You can actually print the shipping labels too as well if you're gonna ship something out. So let me show you really quickly on how this works and how awesome or how fast that actually prints. What we do is we convert things to a PDF, and when we convert things to a PDF, right here, all you're gonna do is you're gonna hit import that PDF, and you go file, find your PDF, label, I have it right here. This is this printer's app right here. And inside of this app right here, you can go and it'll import it into the app right there, and then you said, okay, now you gotta tell it what you wanted to print. So that's what these little guys are. If you're doing QR codes, you're gonna wanna do a custom 1x1, right? So you can either do custom, you can go 4x4, 4x6, or 4x8, and that's what we got here for the shipping labels. So once you do the custom 1x1, all you're gonna do is press print. It's that easy, it's super easy. I'm just showing you guys how easy it is, just in case you're wondering if you're gonna pick this up for your business as well. Did you see that? Did you see that? If you blinked, you probably didn't. But that's it right here. So you take this off, this guy right here, slap it over here, and I'll just put it right on top. And now this is inventoried, it's ready to go, and we can work on that another day. And then when we do ship things out, we just simply take this label out right here. Whoopsie. All right, and then when we do print, you have these guides right here. You can open this up and close that just like that, or you can open it up and it's really smooth action. And then you stick this in there just like that. It automatically connects it, it feeds it. It's gonna recognize the size for you. All right, now that you get that blue light, it's ready to print, it's ready to go. And one of the other things I'm gonna tell you right now is that this does have a little bit of a memory sometimes. And so when you are switching from these small guys to the big guys, it's best just to unplug it, plug it back in to kind of erase that memory. And if you have multiple people trying to connect to it and print to it at the same time, only one person can connect to it. And if for whatever reason it stays connected, and so when it stays connected, again, you might have to reset it by simply unplugging it and plugging it back in. But if you're the only one that ever connects to it, you won't have that problem. Just trying to give you a little bit of heads up, a little bit of tips and tricks to how to maximize the use of this thermal printer. The best part about this printer is you never have to buy ink. And that's what I love about it.